Hi, it's Rona, and today I have something a little bit different. Christine Harden has asked me to be the guest designer for the Counterfeit Kit Club, and I will have the inspiration photo, the kit that they are counterfeiting that I have tried to counterfeit here. Be kind, I am not used to making these kits, so I did what I could. The kit has some bright colors. It has some music themed things, and it just kind of reminded me of Rustic Legend. So I did go through and pull out some of the musical type things that I thought would work. Just some extra pieces that I thought would work for creating a layout. So I have that. It had some stamps. They were actually Bo Bunny stamps. I chose these because I've got some other things in here that I thought this would go well with. And theirs was kind of background type things. I don't have the same ones that were in the kit, but these are similar, so I thought that would work. There was a stencil, and it was music notes. I don't have music notes, but I had these that I thought would be fun and different. So it'll either be this one or this one. I haven't decided yet what I'll use, but I did want to have a couple of options. It looked like cork. I'm not positive it's cork, the thicker set that was in there, but I pulled these out. They're old. They need to be out of my stash. And these are basic gray. And I thought if I'm going to use cork for a title or subtitle or something, it might be fun to have these cork ones. I will be honest, these might not be completely full by the time I get there because Basic Gray is our designer deep dive challenge for June. So I'll probably use some of those before this kit is used in July. I did pull out the whole sticker pack because I didn't want to cut them apart, but there are some music things on here, a record, and then also some fantastic titles. Like, I love these. If you have like preteen boys in your house, my grandkids, this is so perfect. I love it. So those will for sure be coming in handy. I thought these went well with some of the things that I had pulled. So I pulled this out. Then the sticker pack again. I won't use all of this. I didn't even think that all of this was perfect for the kit, but some of it is. And so I went ahead and pulled that out. So this one, if you look at the top left, this paper just reminded me of that, and I loved all the bright colors. Now, the tones are different from Rustic Legend to this, but I think there are probably pieces that I could use when I use this sheet. And obviously, if I'm going to use this for July, I will have more than just these, the same music things. I'll probably have some other layouts as well. So I thought these went well together. There were some papers that I thought this reminded me of, and they were bright, so I liked that. Here are some of the Rustic Legend ones I pulled. This one also is Rustic Legend. This one isn't, but it goes with the Rustic Legend stuff. But also, I thought I might even be able to use it with this somehow. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But anyway, that is my attempt at a kit. I kind of reserve the right to pull some other things in. I don't know if that's allowed in the Kit Club challenges, but I'm new here, right? I don't know what I'm doing. I hope that this is gonna work to do at least a few layouts and kind of get the hang of this. I did do one other counterfeit kit way back, probably at least a year ago, and I failed. I probably did one or two layouts and ended up putting everything back, and I just haven't done it again. So this will be a fun try. Christine asked, and I don't like to say no. So here we go. I will give it another shot. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to playing along. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.